First of all, let's discuss the one words of the chapter HTML. Whenever we talk about a language or about a software, the first question arises, it's about the, guess it. Okay. Developer. It's about the developer. Who is the person who has developed this, who had invented it, which company made it, right? So my question is same for you. Who is the person who developed HTML? Tim Berners-Lee, right? And in which year he had developed this? 1990? No, it's not 97. Only one person will speak. Okay, it's 1991. Okay, it's 1991 when he had developed this software HTML. Okay, then the question arises, he has developed this HTML and now we are using it to make the websites, right? You have to tell me a question which is almost wrong in your revision test too. I had asked you about two methods to view a HTML page or a web page, right? Most of you are considering it as only one method you are describing, that go to the browser, file menu mein jao, go to the open section, then browse karo, file choose karo, open karo, that's fine. You had written the steps in 4 or 5 lines, but you hardly get just 1 marks. Why so? Can you explain me the reason? Yes? Yes, I had told you about the two methods, but doesn't matter you are describing it in a 5 line, 10 line, or in just 1 line. Your method should be correct. And when it is about 2 methods, you have to describe 2 methods. Okay? अब यहाँ पे 5 line का आपने answer लिखा, but you got just 1 line. And on the another side, there is a person, there are numerous persons actually, who write just 2 lines. One, double click on the file, open हो गई. दूसरा उन्होंने लिखा right click on the file and choose open with option and then choose the browser. या फिर right click on the file and choose open option. अब इन 2 lines के लिए भी उन्हें 2 marks मिले. Reason? They had described the 2 method and both the methods are correct. You are not supposed to make the complicated answers, but you have to solve the given problem. Okay, you are expected to solve the given problem. That's it. Doesn't matter you have to fill the whole page or you are attaching 10 extra sheet. It doesn't matter. Okay, so be careful. Okay, then I'll be asking you about full form of HTML. You can raise your hand if you know the answer, and all the students who are attending the class online, they can type in my chat box. Okay, so now quickly tell me what is the full form of HTML? Hypertext markup language. Whenever you don't know any full form, now what you will do, you just need to elaborate the each and every letter. And here, when you are going to elaborate HTML, आप mistake क्या करते हो? H और T को अलग-अलग elaborate कर देते हो और अपनी ही full form generate कर देते हो. Remember that HT is hypertext. It's a one common word, okay? And ML for the markup language. So keep it in mind. दो अलग से words उसके generate नहीं करने हैं, ठीक है? HT is for hypertext. Okay, that's good. Then I have 2 categories of the tag. One is container tag and one is an empty tag. You have to choose one category from these two which contains the tags with the opening as well as closing tag. Container tag. अब कंटेनर की कंटेनर भी होता है, लीड भी होता है, राइट? तो इसी तरह से याद रखने, इसमें ओपनिंग टैग भी होगा और क्लोजिंग टैग भी होगा. ओके, सो व्हेनेवर देयर आर 2 टैग्स दैट बिलोंग्स टू द, हाँ, ओपनिंग भी है क्लोजिंग भी है, तो किस कैटेगरी से बिलोंग कर रहे हैं? कंटेनर टैग्स. ओके, देन ऑब्वियसली अगर दोनों है तो कंटेनर टैग है, एंड रिमेनिंग अगर ओनली ओपनिंग है देन इट विल बी एम्प्टी टैग. ओके, देन here there are 4 basic HTML tags: HTML, head, title, and body. Can you tell me which of these 4 basic tags is used to display all the content on the web page? Can you explain? Body tag. As we have to arrange everything in the body tag, only then it will be visible on our web page. So whenever there is a word content, okay, web page पे जो content आता है, that belongs to the body tag. Always belongs to the body tag. Okay. Now tell me about as you know body tag है ना, and there are few attributes of that also. How you can identify which is attribute and which is tag? अब मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ. There is an option angular bracket में, first listen to my question. Angular bracket में there is a body written, body space BG color is equals to, in double quotes it's red, and tag close हो गया. अब इसमें tag कौन सा है और attribute कौन सा है, आप बताओ. There is a body tag, space देके मैंने लिखा color is equals to red, bracket close कर दो, है ना. इसमें tag कौन सा है? tag element. Okay, sit down. आप बताइए. Okay, आप बताइए. Okay, you will tell. आप बताओ.
Tag is body and attribute is BG.
That's pretty good. Here, the tag is body tag, right? And the attribute is BG color. So keep it in mind, जो हमारे basic tags है ना, वो सारे tags हैं basic HTML tag, उनमें से कोई भी attribute नहीं है. Okay? So don't consider body or head or HTML or title as a attribute. Attribute क्या होता है? जो एक tag के साथ attach होते हैं and it works as a to change the properties of that tag. अब BG है, body पूरा content display करती है. BG color क्या कर रहा है? उस body में उसका background दे रहा है. So उसकी one of the property है जिसपे वो work कर रहा है, तो वो part उसका attribute होता है. ठीक है? So here BG color is the attribute and body is the tag. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. I'll be giving one more example now. I'm using a font, in the bracket font, space color is equals to red, space size is equals to 5, and then I'm closing the bracket. Okay? Here tag कौन सा है और attribute कौन सा है? I'll be writing it. मैं लिख देती हूँ, better है ना? This is my angular bracket जो हर tag start करती है. Then I'm using a word font, okay, and then color. अब मैं उसकी value define कर रही हूँ, okay. Then मैंने दिया size is equal to उसकी value लिख दी, ठीक है, and then I close this. Here you need to identify which is a tag, which is the attribute. Tag बताइए सिर्फ. Okay. Attribute कौन सा? Color and size both are the attribute, क्योंकि दोनों ही उसकी properties से deal कर रहे हैं. इस उसका font का size increase और decrease कर सकता है, तो दूसरा उस font का color change कर सकता है, right? So both are the attributes here, and there can be multiple attributes can be used in just single tag. For example, body है, right? हम यहाँ पे text tag भी लिख सकते हैं, BG color, background color और sorry background only, तीनों यूज कर सकते हैं. टेबल टैग है, I can use multiple attributes in that. टेबल में मुझे बॉर्डर देना है, ठीक है, बॉर्डर मतलब बॉर्डर का साइज कितना है. कलर करना है तो कौन सा एट्रीब्यूट आता है? बॉर्डर कलर. देन मुझे स्पेस क्रिएट करनी है ऑन अ सेल, सपोज ऑन अ सेल, ओके, आई वांट टू क्रिएट अ स्पेस अराउंड माय बाउंड्री, बियॉन्ड माय बाउंड्री, so that I want there should be distance between the other cell and my cell. So which attribute? Cell spacing, exactly. Like you are sitting on a benches and there is a space between two benches, right? So these space can be given using a cell spacing. And if you want to leave some space while sitting on your bench and around yourself, then it's cell padding, right? हाँ जी पूछिए बेटा.
Body में attribute होते हैं background में background में photo images insert करते हैं, BG color में एक
कलर देते हैं. Yes.
तो ये दोनों एक साथ में attribute
नहीं, we use one of them, obvious, है ना, क्योंकि कलर दे दिया तो वो हमारी इमेज छुप जाती है. That's why. Okay. Now here we are talking about cell spacing and cell padding. अब क्वेश्चन सुनो एंड गेस करो इन दोनों में से कौन सा एट्रीब्यूट यूज करेंगे. ठीक है. I want to give some space in between my border of the cell and the text. Cell padding. And then I want to give some space between two cells. Cell spacing. Okay, so don't get confused on that. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So these are the attributes which can be used together also, right? Okay, here I'll be asking you about an tag, not an attribute, okay? You need to tell the name of the tag which can be used to place the text above the characters. For example, I want to write this 7. तो ये 7 का th लिखने के लिए मुझे किस एट्रीब्यूट किस टैग का यूज करना पड़ेगा? हाँ जी, sub. Very good. This is what exactly I want to know, and you guys are making mistake over here. आप क्या करते हो? You write superscript. There is no superscript. हम कभी भी HTML टैग को ऊपर लिखते हैं hypertext markup language? नहीं लिखते ना? We never use it. ब्रेक के लिए हम BR टैग यूज करते हैं, पूरा लिखते हैं ब्रेक? No. हम अंडरलाइन के लिए U टैग यूज करते हैं, पूरा लिखते हैं कभी भी अंडरलाइन? Never. So why for this? There should be no partiality for this also. Okay? यहाँ पे आपने SUP टैग ही देना है. Complete name नहीं लिखना. It's not superscript or subscript. Tag का name जब पूछा जाए, it's just sub and sub. Okay? When we have to place the characters above the line, then it's SUP, and when it's time to below this, like H2O, below the line, then SUP. There we'll be using sub. Okay, so keep it in mind, beta. पूरा नेम नहीं देना, SUP and SUB tag है ये, ठीक है? Good. Then here is one of the attribute of the table tag that is used to change the position of your table. What it could be? Suppose you have a table, you had created a table, okay? It is placed over here. You want to place it on the right side. So you are changing the position from there to here. So which attribute can be used? Align attribute. Align क्या होता है? Alignment, है ना? पर इसका नेम है align, पूरा नहीं लिखना alignment, okay? Align attribute से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? उसकी alignment, उसकी position change कर सकते हैं. Left, right, center, करते थे ना पहले भी, word में भी करते हैं. तो this is the align tag जो उसकी alignment और उसकी positioning change करता है, okay? Then we are having a question related to font tag. I had already told you color and size, right? Which of them can be used if I want to display my font in size 35, or I want to decrease the size? I just want to decrease the size, whatever it is, I just want to decrease it. Size attribute obviously है ना? Can I use the color attribute here? No need. So it's not required that we have to use both these attributes together always. Okay? It's optional, and depending upon our requirement, जब हमें color से related कोई काम करना है, then we will use only color. And if we want to work only on size, then we will use the size attribute. बिल्कुल. फिर font size value दी bracket close. जब color है तो font लिखा, space color value दी and close. That's it. Okay? Now it's about the next chapter, but it is also related to the Photoshop. It's related to the Photoshop. First question again, same that I had asked in the HTML chapter. What it could be? So tell me about this. Who is the person who had developed the first version of the Photoshop? Thomas Knoll, right? He invented it in which year? 1987. HTML is 1991 and this Photoshop is 1987. Okay. Now later on, पहले तो ये display program के name से famous था, right? But later on, a company adopted it and launched it as their product. So that then it's known as Adobe Photoshop. So which is the company? Again. Okay. दो आंसर मुझे मिले, दोनों एक इनकम्प्लीट था और एक रॉन्ग था. If it is Adobe Photoshop, why they will give Microsoft will give the name Adobe to their product? अब MS Office आता है, they always use na Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office. Can they give a name of Adobe Word? If I had developed something, I'll give my name to that. No? Why I should promote others? So here no Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft ने Skype सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप किया था, but Photoshop किसने किया है? Adobe Systems. Systems कंप्लीट नेम लेना है Adobe Systems. ठीक है, ये अगर आप हाफ नेम लिखोगे तो इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक कि आपका नेम ले लिया, सर नेम छोड़ दिया. ठीक है, so take complete name Adobe Systems. Okay, then every pixel, sorry, I had already told, no need to ask this. Every pixel is containing a element of a image, right? And there are various color modes also in Photoshop. Here I'll be giving you some names and you have to choose one of them. Okay? First listen to all the options and then choose your option wisely. Okay? Here my question is, there are various color modes available in the Photoshop and choose one of them. Okay? Options are bitmap, grayscale, CMYK, all of these. क्वेश्चन है मेरा बिटमैप, सॉरी कलर मोड कौन सा अवेलेबल है. ठीक है, बिटमैप, ग्रे स्केल, CMYK, ऑल ऑफ दिस. ओके 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 okay, let me tell you one thing here. Whenever there is a question and at the end you have given all of these and you know all the options are correct, and if you are going to choose only one of them ना, तो you are indirectly saying कि ये बाकी के 3 options गलत है. ठीक है, which means आपकी statement ही wrong हो गई. आप अपना point justify कर रहे हो, CMYK आंसर है, bitmap है, grayscale है, which is correct, but you are denying the fact that other options are also there. That's why आपका गलत हो जाता. ठीक है, so if all the options are correct and last option is all of these, always choose the last one. I'm reading, Herman, don't worry beta. Okay, so the answer is all of these. Okay, that's good. Okay, then I'll be asking something from the component. You have to tell the name of the part. Okay, part of the Photoshop window. This is a large white area which can be used to perform various operations on your image. What? Area. It's a larger area. It's a white area. Document area. It's a document area where you can perform multiple actions on your image. Okay? Clear है? Then here you have to choose the category. आपको guess करनी है ये tool जो मैं बता रही हूँ, it belongs to which categories. Okay? Here using this category, I can lighten my skin. I can give a dark effect to my skin. I can fill the backgrounds with gradient shades and fill some colors in my picture, as well as I can erase some part of my picture. So guess करो कौन सी category? Okay, आप बताओ. Let me tell you, गलत है. Think again. Okay. I'm repeating the question again. Listen carefully. Okay. Then choose your answer wisely. हाँ, यहाँ answers correct आ रहे हैं online students के. Very nice. Okay. My question is, here I can get all the tools using which I can lighten my skin. I can give a dark effect on my skin. Okay. Then I can fill the gradient backgrounds and fill some colors in my image. I can also erase a part of my image. Selection tools हैं, selection tool नहीं, tools panel है. Tools panel के किस category से ये tool belong करते हैं? Paint and retouching. See, अगर drawing आप word use करोगे, drawing कब होती है? जब हमारे पास पेन या पेंसिल होती है, तभी drawing करते हैं ना. ब्रश हो, पेन हो, पेंसिल हो, तभी draw करेंगे, right? अब डॉज इफेक्ट से या फिर बर्न इफेक्ट से, इरेजर से तो कोई ड्राइंग नहीं बनाते, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स पेंट एंड रीटचिंग, नॉट ड्राइंग एंड रीटचिंग. ओके, ड्राइंग वाला कैटेगरी अलग है, दैट इज टेक्स्ट एंड ड्राइंग टूल्स. ओके, जहां पे हम टेक्स्ट भी लिख सकते हैं और ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हैं. दैट्स द टेक्स्ट एंड ड्राइंग. ओके, सो मस्ट रिमेंबर द नेम्स ऑफ द कैटेगरीज. ओके, Then there is a selection tool. I'm already telling you the category name, selection tool, okay? That is one of the selection tool that is used to select your image in a rectangular shape, in an elliptical shape, or in a circular shape. Marquee tool. Okay, that's a marquee tool that can be used to select our images in these shapes. Okay, then there is a tool which can be used. अब मैं दो ऑप्शन बोलूंगी, दोनों में से एक चूज करनी है, ठीक है? There is a tool that can be used to remove the unwanted area which is not in my selection or outside my selection part. Why not eraser? Why eraser? अच्छा, अब अगर हम रिमूव वर्ड को ड्राइव करके आंसर दे रहे हैं तो रिमूव तो आई कैन रिमूव सम पार्ट ऑफ माय इमेजेस यूजिंग इरेजर. देन व्हाई देयर इज वेरी, यहाँ पे मैंने वर्ड यूज किया सिलेक्टेड एरिया, आउटसाइड माय सिलेक्टेड एरिया. अब इरेजर, वेयर वी पुट इरेजर, वहां पे हम सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं इरेजर से बेसिकली ना, सिर्फ वही पार्ट को इरेज करता है. पर मैंने कहा है रिमूव करे वो पार्ट विच इज आउटसाइड माय सिलेक्शन, आउटसाइड माय सिलेक्टेड एरिया, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स जितना जितना मैंने सिलेक्ट कर रहा है उस पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा ये टूल, उसके अलावा जो पार्ट है उसको रिमूव करेगा. सो दैट विल बी क्रॉप. ओके, क्लियर हो गया दोनों में डिफरेंस अच्छे से? ओके, दैट्स गुड. Then there is a tool that can use to select an image with a precise or greater precision to reach. Like I had given you example when we are performing the practicals, then we had used an image and I had selected one girl from that image. That's a family picture actually. And I just selected one girl. Using which tool I did that? Quick selection tool, right? Quick selection tool say you can do this thing. Okay, then in the Photoshop, the next chapter, but the same tools are described further. Few more new tools are also there, no doubt. There is a tool that is used to make the smooth strokes of the color. Brush tool. Brush tool. Using brush tool, we can put some smooth strokes of the colors. Okay, is that clear? Okay, then there is a tool that can be used to remove all the imperfections, like if someone is having dark spots or blemishes, and spot healing brush tool. And why it is named as, because वो particular spot जो हमारा है that we want to hide, वो उसको heal कर देता है, right? इसी से उसका name drive हुआ spot healing tool. Okay, spot healing brush tool. Then here we are having a tool using which I can fill a range of colors. अब मैं rainbow colors fill कर सकती हूँ उससे. Gradient tool, right? Gradient tool से हम range of color, either it can be a rainbow colors or any other colors. I can fill it on my background, right? So that's a gradient color. Okay. Then there is a color used to lighten the skin. Lighten the skin, lighten the skin. जैसे फाउंडेशन से लाइट हो जाती है स्किन. डॉज टूल, इट्स अ डॉज टूल जो स्किन को लाइट कर देता है, ठीक है? ओके, देन टेल मी वन वे हाउ कैन आई रीनेम अ लेयर. हाउ कैन आई रीनेम अ लेयर इन द फोटोशॉप? Double click and then good. ये must है step, double click करके छोड़ने देना. You have to double click on the layer name and type your new name. Okay, type the new name for the layer. Now what we are doing, हम double click करके क्या करते हैं, उसको original name select कर देते हैं. Then जब हम अपना new name type करते हैं तो automatically पिछला erase हो जाता है क्योंकि already selected होता है और दूसरा name उसकी जगह display हो जाता है. Clear? And remember it, there is no button in the layers panel to rename a layer. जैसे create के लिए बटन होता है and delete के लिए भी होता है, but rename के लिए नहीं होता. How we can rename? By double click and type it. Good. Now let me ask you some questions related to the Skype. First, I'm not going to ask you the question. Automatically guess करो मेरा first question क्या होगा and answer it by yourself. Developer. Very good. Microsoft. Here I'll be asking a question related to the developer or which company has developed the Skype software, and the answer is Microsoft. Microsoft is the company who developed this particular Skype software. And next, what is the official website for the Skype software? www. dot ये बोला आपने दोबारा बोला ना कम ओके इसमें मिस्टेक क्या है it's www. No, 2 times you said www. It means वर्ल्ड. देखो 3 W's का मीनिंग क्या है? वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. और जब एक स्किप कर देंगे तो वेब तो खत्म हो गया ना, वर्ल्ड वाइड ही रह गया. तो वेब में जाना है उसके, ठीक है. सो www ट्रिपल टाइम देयर इज अ w and then skype.com. there is no my Skype or Skype official or that's a official Skype. Okay, so always go for skype.com. Okay, then there are various versions available of the Skype on their official website. You had almost noted down in the revision test also, but I had put a big cross on that answers where they are describing for Linux, for Windows, for Windows 10, for Mac. मैंने क्रॉस किया उसको. Why so?
Skype for Windows and Skype for Mac.
Exactly. Its complete name should be there. For example, मेरा name है Sumandeep, right? But if you are just calling me Deep, will I answer? Will I be happy with that? Not at all. I want you to take full name, no? So that's why you are cutting the name of the versions. It's Skype for Windows, Skype for Linux, or Skype for Mac, right? And Skype for Windows 10. So always go for the official complete name whenever we are talking about the versions, okay? Or whenever we are asking about the option name. You can't change it, okay? So don't take shortcuts over there, okay? Then in the Skype, whenever you have to add a contacts, which tab you will prefer? किस tab में जाएंगे हम? Contacts tab. And contacts में कौन सी option? Okay, fine. Then you have to tell me. Obviously, we know Skype से हम communication के लिए use करते हैं, right? And to share the files, to send text messages and all that. But main purpose communication. There is a protocol जिसके बिना कोई communication service work नहीं करता. Okay. Okay. VoIP की full form बताइए. It's correct. VoIP protocol है, but VoIP की full form क्या है? VoIP protocol है ना जो work करता है इसके round. तो VoIP की full form क्या है? Very nice. It's voice over internet protocol, right? This is the main protocol. Protocol क्या होता है? Set of rules that we need to follow. अब internet पे जो rule follow करते हैं that है ना? To use that, here we are giving it a term protocols. Okay? So protocol जो main है VoIP, voice over internet protocol. This is working behind all the communication services. Okay. Here my next question is, again you should listen all the options carefully. Okay. My question is, choose the correct option, which is a communication service. Okay. And your options is, number 1, Skype. Number 2, WhatsApp. Number 3, none of these. Number 4, both of these. Both of these, मतलब both A and B. It should be prescribed there. It's not both of these because both of these में तो कोई भी दोनों आ जाएंगे. None of these भी include हो गया. It should be prescribed there, both A and B. Okay. Then we will go for that option. Because अगर हम again वही concept आ गया, एक choose कर लेते, no doubt दोनों ही सही है पहली वाली भी. But दोनों में से एक choose करते तो हमने deny कर दिया कि दूसरी नहीं है. Okay. Then that's why we have to go for both of these options. Okay. Next. Which of these services follow the VoIP protocol? Okay, Gizmo, Skype, Mario, and one of your favorite game. Tell me any name of. Okay, that. Then tell me which of these will use your VoIP. Skype. Why Skype? Why not others?
Because Skype is a communication.
Because this is a protocol working for the communication services, right? Not for the other purposes. Okay, that's good. Then there is a term which is used to see a global network of computer. It's a global network of computer. Good. It's internet, right? If I will give the name, it's a World Wide Web. No, it's not, right? Then if I give it's a huge network. No. It should be a particular term, internet. Okay? Is there any doubt? If you have, you may ask, beta.